Let's talk about another example to cover different domains. An AI coding assistant agent. Suppose you want an agent to create a simple website for you. The goal might be, create a personal website with a homepage that introduces me. An autonomous coding agent would break it down. Create the HTML structure, write content, and add styling. With GPT-4 and the right tools, it could generate HTML, CSS, and even suggest images. Projects like GPT Engineer work this way, drafting code files based on prompts. To build something similar, you'd set up tools for writing and reading files, and maybe even running code for testing. Though that comes with challenges. Whatever project you choose, research assistant, coding assistant, or something else, always start small. Set a narrow goal, run the agent, and expand gradually. Agents are powerful but can get off track if tasks are too vague or tools aren't well defined. Fine-tuning prompts and tool descriptions is key. Also, keep an eye on costs if you're using APIs. Multi-step agents can consume a lot of tokens. Use shorter responses, cheaper models for intermediate steps, or run local models like Llama 2 if you have the hardware. By now, you should have a clear idea of how to assemble a more complex agent. Start with a project idea, break it into steps, and build piece by piece. Test, tweak, and refine. Every challenge is a learning opportunity. When your agent finally completes its task autonomously, you'll see the true potential of AI agents. In the next and final part, we'll explore how to improve your agent further and continue your journey as an AI agent developer, all on a budget.